Want to check if your Apple Watch has a fake battery? Knowing this can help you avoid battery issues and keep your watch safe. Well, look no further. In this video, I'll show you how to find out if your Apple Watch battery is fake. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap General. Then tap About. Scroll down to find the serial number. Now grab your iPhone. Open Safari or any browser app. Tap on the address bar. Type checkcoverage.apple.com. Scroll down. Here, enter your Apple Watch's serial number. It will start with G. Then tap Submit. Here you will get all the information about your device, like purchase date, warranty, date, and more. That means your device and its hardware are real, including the battery. If you don't see the information here, you must understand that it is fake. And that's it. This is how you can find out if your Apple Watch battery is fake. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Goodbye for now.